Bitter gourd, also called bitter melon, is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables you can eat. Today we're breaking down its real health benefits, its nutrition facts, and the side effects nobody talks about. What is bitter gourd? Bitter gourd is a tropical vine vegetable known for its bumpy skin and sharp, bitter taste. It has been used for centuries in Asian and African traditional medicine, especially for managing blood sugar and digestive issues. Despite its strong flavor, it remains a staple in many diets because of its powerful health-boosting compounds like carotene and morticin. Nutritional profile of bitter gourd. A single cup of bitter gourd contains very few calories, making it ideal for weight-conscious diets. It is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, and potassium. It also provides a good dose of dietary fiber, along with small amounts of iron and magnesium. This combination makes it one of the most nutrient-dense low-calorie vegetables available. Just 1 cup provides a meaningful chunk of your daily vitamin C needs, which supports immune function and healthy skin. Health benefits of bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is widely recognized for its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it popular among people managing type 2 diabetes. Compounds in the vegetable mimic insulin activity and help cells absorb glucose more efficiently. It also supports digestion by stimulating digestive juices, boosts immunity thanks to its high vitamin C content, and promotes clearer skin by fighting inflammation and oxidative stress. Some studies also suggest it may support weight loss due to its low-calorie, high-fiber composition, and it contains antioxidants that help protect cells from damage. Side effects of bitter gourd. While bitter gourd offers many benefits, it isn't risk-free for everyone. Consuming large amounts can cause stomach pain, diarrhea, or nausea in some people. It may also lower blood sugar too much, especially when combined with diabetes medication, leading to hypoglycemia. Pregnant women are often advised to avoid it, as certain compounds may trigger uterine contractions. People with G6PD deficiency should also be cautious, since bitter gourd has been linked to a condition called favism in rare cases. As with any new food, moderation is key, and anyone on medication should talk to a doctor before making it a regular part of their diet. How to add bitter gourd to your diet. You don't have to eat it raw to get its benefits. Try soaking sliced bitter gourd in salted water to reduce bitterness, then stir-fry it with onions and spices. It also works well blended into juices with apple or lemon to balance the taste, or added to soups and curries. Starting with small portions helps your body adjust before increasing intake. That's everything you need to know about bitter gourd. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'll be adding this superfood to your meals.